Be safe.
Good morning. Namaste, children. I am Vijay Lakshmi. Welcome to our Mahatma Gandhi Vidyalaya online class. I hope, children, you all are safe at your home. Please follow the instructions given by our government to prevent against this coronavirus. Stay home and prevent this COVID-19. Children, in your yearly class, you have learnt 2-letter word, 3-letter words. Using that words, how can we make a sentence? Let us see. What is a sentence? What's a sentence? A group of words which make complete sense and expresses our thoughts is a sentence. When we speak to someone, we speak in complete sentences. Then only they can understand what we speak. While writing a sentence, we begin it with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Let us see some example. The peacock is a beautiful bird. Sanya is good at drawing. In these two examples, first letter starts with a capital letter in the and it ends with a full stop and gives you a complete meaning. Like that, Sanya, S is a capital letter and ends with a full stop and gives you a complete meaning. Then, let us see some more exercises. Here, I have given you some sentences. In that, some sentences I have given a tick and for some sentences I have crossed out. Let us see now. There are many books in the library. Ben has a pet dog. Jane is my best friend. The apples are sweet. In these sentences, I have given tick. Why? Because these sentences gives you a complete meaning. And as we said, when we are writing, we should start with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. See in these examples, T capital, B capital, J capital and the like. D in apple also it's capital. So it's a correct sentence. Then see some more. And they is sharp. Playing children they are. Here I have given a grass. Why? And they is sharp. Is it giving any meaning? No. Whether it starts with capital letter and there is a full stop at the end? No. So, it's not a sentence. Then, you may have a doubt. Playing children they are. Here, P starts with a capital letter and there is a full stop at the end. Why it's given wrong? Because it's not giving you a correct meaning. The children are playing is a complete sentence and a correct sentence, meaningful sentence. So, playing children they are, whether it starts with a capital and ends with a full stop, since it's not giving you a correct, complete, full meaning, it is not a sentence. I hope children, now you all learnt what is a sentence, how to write a sentence, and when we communicate, it should give you a complete, full and clear meaning to others. Yes, children. Now, like this, please try some more examples in your home. Thank you, children. Let's stay home safe. Thank you. Once again, we will meet in the next class. Thank you, my dear children. Dear children, before I end up this session, let me summarize what you have learnt in this. Okay, what we learnt? What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words which gives us complete sense of meaning. It starts with capital letter. It ends with full stop. or question mark or exclamatory mark. It should give us complete meaning to understand. Then see children, these two examples I gave you. In these two examples, it follows the rule of the sentence. Now comes your worksheet. Children, when you start to do the worksheet, please be careful and remember what you have learnt in your sentence. Here I have given you some example. Park went to David. Whether it gives you any meaning, whether it starts with a capital letter, whether it ends with a full stop, no. So what it should be answer? David went to the park. See here, David, D starts with a capital letter, it ends with a full stop, and it gives you the complete meaning to understand. Like that, children, I give 5 more. Do it. Next comes your second worksheet. While you are doing this worksheet also, please remember the rules for a sentence. That it should start with the capital letter, it should end with full stop, and it should gives you the complete meaning. If it gives you the complete meaning, then you write yes. If it not, then you write no on the line. Take for example, first one, Laura brought her lunch today. In this, the first letter starts with L, capital letter, and ends with full stop at the end, and it gives you the full complete meaning to understand. Then see the next one, whether the sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, and the main thing you have to see is whether it gives you the complete meaning to understand. Like that, remember the rules before you write and complete the third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 I have given here. Okay children, write yes or no on that line. That is enough. Okay, have it in your mind. It should give you the full meaning. Then comes your next worksheet. In this worksheet, I have given some phrases on the word bank. You have to match that with that, and you have to make a complete sentence. While you are writing this also, you should see first letter should start with a capital letter, it should end with a full stop, and it should give you the full complete meaning. Take for example, first one, park the car on the street. Whether it gives you any meaning? No. Whether it starts with a capital letter? No. So, now you have to check the phrase in that word bank. Here, my dad is that you can add here. My dad parked the car on the street. It gives you the full complete meaning to understand. And my M capital which starts with capital letter and it ends with full stop. Okay children, the remaining one please do it. Thank you my dear children. Please be safe, stay home. We will see in our next session. Thank you my dear.